I study in NPS HSR. I live in Karnataka, Bengaluru. I am in 6th grade. I am currently learning Python. Today I am going to show you my project in Tinkercad named Christmas Tree. It shows a snowman, a polar bear, snow-capped mountains, snow-capped trees, a penguin, a reindeer, ornaments and a Christmas tree. It also has the caption Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It has over 30 pieces. I wanted to make a Christmas scenery in a forest in Tinkercad because I like to see things in a different point of view especially in 3D shapes. Thank you for your time, respected teachers and judges. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.